Hi everyone, welcome to another impromptu video where I trade options. I'm not at home that often, so I can't film my trades every week or every month that I'd like to. So any chance I get, I'm going to film some random trades. This is probably going to get repetitive for the people that have been watching since the beginning, but I sell basic cash secured puts in my tax-free savings account, and I also do covered calls in my tax-free savings account on Apple if you've been following for the last 6 years. But I'm just showing you how to make medium money trading options. I'm not going to say a lot of money because this is not a lot. This is like 3 to 4% per month. It can add up to let's say with some losses, it can add up to 30% a year, not 48 or 50 like if I hit 4% every month. But what I'm going to do is sell cash secured puts in my tax-free savings account on Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is at 1,700. I put a little graphic together on why I think it'll go back to 4,000. This is not a 100% prediction and no one will know, but I am trying to get assigned on Ethereum ETFs so it can be tax-free when I go around and sell it at around $4,000. So if Ethereum drops to like 1,500, I can probably get assigned, and then I'll turn around, hold it until this crypto winter is over, until it goes to at least $4,000. Maybe it'll go up a little bit higher. Hopefully the people on mobile can see this. If not, I'll probably just zoom in a little bit. But I'm going to aim for 3 to 4% per month selling cash secured puts in my tax-free savings account on ETHA. It is in US dollars. I think I have 20,000 extra US dollars, which should get me 15 cash secured puts, so 1,500 shares total. If I go into Questrade, I'll leave a link for Interactive Brokers because they are a sponsor. Questrade does not sponsor me, so I'm not recommending them, but I will, if you want, click on the link for Interactive Brokers. They have lower fees. But I've been doing this for a while on Questrade, so I'm just going to continue for now. Right now, it is July 13th. What I'm going to do is sell the August 21st at around $12. And I'm aiming for this because $35 a share with $1,200 in collateral put up. So that's 2.9%. I don't want to go to $13 because that's right, like almost at the money. I don't see the point. I want to get a little bit of a discount. And $11 is too low. You're not earning enough premium. So I want a mix of premium and chance to get assigned. I want to get assigned at around the $12 mark so I could go around and turn. I'd probably sell calls. I won't sell calls until it's in the 15 or 16 range. I'm going to sell a lot higher than what I think it would be at. But let's see what it looks like. You know what? I actually might hold on to it. I don't think I'll sell. I don't think I'll run the wheel. I don't think I'll sell covered calls on it. I might just hold on to it. But I'm going to sell cash secured puts until I get assigned. So I do have it lined up on the side. ETHA, this is my tax-free savings account. Right now, the spread, I'm just going to aim for 35. And this is $525 US, which is, what is that, like $650 CAD. And I've been doing this monthly in my margin account and tax-free savings account for a while. Just like my base case, let's just take a look. If we go back to, what is it, 4 hours, that's probably a good range. Let's go back even further. Can we go 1 day range? What am I doing? Where are my days? Days, there we go, 1 day. So here we are at around the $1,700 mark. You could see it was $4,800 before it dropped down. It took 2 years to get back up to the $4,000 mark, broke down again. So this is, I don't know, what is this, like a bull trap? It went from 1,400. This was around the tariff issue. So April 2nd, the US announced the tariffs, everything kind of tanked. And then when the tariffs were canceled, everything came back. But what I'm doing right now, I'm going to try to get assigned. You know what? I'm probably too deep into cryptocurrency. For those that have been following for a while, I used to mine Ethereum. When the mining Ethereum stopped and went to proof of stake instead of proof of work, I had 84 Ethereum coins. Those are in cold wallets, and I'm just kind of holding on to those. But I do like trading options, and I look for different opportunities and different items to trade. So that's when I jumped onto ETHA. It's a good mix of risk and return, because I believe in cryptocurrency for these reasons, and mainly Ethereum. I do think it's a good opportunity. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you want, you could sell You'd have to buy 100 shares of Apple to sell covered calls on Apple. I've been doing Apple for 15 years. I just want to show you the return I've had over 15 years. I bought in 2011, around 1,100 shares total now, but only 100 in this account. So a $2,500 return, while at the same time selling covered calls against it. So let's try to see if I could make some money on Apple covered calls. So I have the Apple options chain opened up. Right now, Apple's near its all-time highs. I like to sell calls on green days and when it hits all-time highs. When Apple goes down, when Apple was like a few weeks ago, it was at 277. I wasn't selling covered calls because I knew it would kind of jump back and then I'd lose my shares. So I wait for these new peaks. And it's usually after, I don't know, Apple doesn't stay down too long, but also famous last words, this might be incorrect going forward. It kind of works until it doesn't. So I'm choosing 40 days from now. The delta, I'm going to look for 25-ish. And that's, let's say 335 seems too close. So I'll go 340. So I'm making 1% per month. It depends on how you look at it. Because I got these shares at $70 a share. So is my return really 1%? But here's how the calc would look like if you just bought it right now. So this is 310 in return, but then $34,000 total. So this is less than 1%. If you bought at 340, the issue is if you bought at 316, it's a little bit better. It's 1%. So I'm making 315 divided by 331,000. Yeah, so this still is 1%. If you bought now and you sold a 40-day covered call, you're making 1% per month. If you're able to hold on, and let's say it gets called away, probably not the best, but 340 minus 316. So you're making $24 a share. You're making $2,400 plus the 310. What was your buy? Yeah, around this. Best case scenario, you can make 8.5%, but I don't want the shares to get called away. I want the shares to go right up to $339.99, and then it expires worthless. That's best case scenario, so you can turn around and sell another covered call. If it goes up to 340, just buy back the call at a loss and then just turn around and sell a new one. So this is, it's pulled up on the side, August 21st, 340 call. I'm making 315 US. And if we just pull up the chain just to see what it looks like, options. By strategy. There we go. So I'm up $24,000 in Apple, but this is unrealized gain. I haven't really made any money off of it. Unrealized doesn't make me feel any better. For the last 15 years, I've been selling calls. So this does feel good, an extra $315. Remember, I have 1,100 shares total, so I'll be selling another 10 of these offline. I'm going to leave it here. Let me know if you have any questions. Click the link for Interactive Brokers and tune in to the next one.